All right, so we are in Pixellab and we'll be designing a church flyer design. You're welcome to my channel. I'm Kingsley Wankwo. So, without taking much of your time, let's go ahead to bring in the design that we'll be replicating for this tutorial. So this is the design, and this is a design by Dela-On Graphics. So, and let's first set the image size, and the image size is going to be 1066. And we're going to leave the height to be the same way. Now the color, to work on the color of the background, we'll just pick we're going to be using a color, not a gradient. Just pick this over here, and we have it to be that way. Then we'll be bringing in the texture effect just to okay, just to make it have a feel. So let's go over to, I think I have a folder for all this. So let's see which texture will be appropriate. Okay, let's just make use of this, and let's make use of this. So you take it to the back. So reduce the opacity, and opacity. Let's make it 25. I think that's okay. Now you want to lock it. You want to lock it. You have it here. So the next thing we want to do is bring in the main image that we'll be using. So the see which one we use. So I will make use of this for this tutorial. Make use of this image, not the original image of the person. So crop. I want to rotate this this way. So I want to have it to be like this, and so it's going to be something like this. So we're going to have it to be something like this. So I want to increase it, something like this. Okay, now let's look it. Bring it to the front, and bring in the effects that we use. This effect here. So we're gonna want to use this. So it's gonna be something like this, and I'm gonna place it at the back of the man. So just click here, just take it at the back of the man so it doesn't go back too much. And I'm gonna leave it that way. So I'm gonna lock it now. Then the next thing I want to do is want to bring in this. Want to create this shape that looks like a shield, and this shape like this. So that's what I want to create. We'll just bring in a rectangle shape. So let's just use this format that I have here like this. And so the color, let's give it a black, or let's make it red, whichever one. Then we'll bring in circle shape. I want to make this black, not red. So we're gonna have something like this. Then copy, place it here again. Copy, place another one here. Copy, place it to be somewhere around there. Okay, now we'll merge all of them together. Merge them, merge to see if we come up to something accurate. So, and merge it now. Erase color. Yes, now erase color. So we want to take out the black, and we've done that. Let's see something like this now. So now let's increase the size of this. Reduce this, and let's place it there. So now I want to increase the size of this and crop. So you see what we're doing clearly. Oh, there's something I want to do, because let's see if I add a color or a gradient. Let's see. Okay, it's reflecting. So let's just add the color of the gradient and cancel. For my original design, this left side is lighter, then the right side will pick the darker portion of it, and there you have it. Beautiful. So you want to have this to be like this, and it's going to be somewhere like this. So we'll have this to be something like this, and bring this to the front. So we want to lock it now. Bring in a shape, circle, the color. We're going to use the gradient color. So we are already moving now. Now we'll try to move it more intensity. So yes, 7 minutes already. So now you have it to be like this, and always lock your stuff so when you're designing it won't disturb you. So now moving with the speed of light, we'll start putting in the text. But first thing, let's bring in a shape that is like cycle, something like this. Give it a shadow. Give it a shadow. Where is the shadow effect? So what we do now in the shadow, we'll then go back to the color and reduce it so it's not much like this. Okay, now we'll bring this particular one. I want to align it to the center. We'll be using a dummy logo, but I still want it to have the reflection it has from the original design. So we want to make this like this, and so have this to be like this. And let's merge it. Let's merge the two like this. So the name of the church is I'm gonna reduce it and place it over here like this. Verify generation ministry. So cut this. I have the text already, so to save us time, I already have the text, and yeah, you come to the front. We're going to be using the Montserrat font. Montserrat, where you color black. put in present there, and glory week. With this, you space it. We'll make it the regular Montserrat or medium, and reduce the size. Okay, reduce the spacing, kind of too much. The spacing should reduce it. Copy this. Now this is going to be white. Glory week. I have the glory week there. Cut. We're gonna make the color to be white. If this is the first time on my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what kind of videos you want me to be making more of. We make tutorials like this to help young creatives start their design career and hopefully climb up the ladder. So, and we've been able to achieve something in this art design. So 25 glory week, and it's a good one. Then go back to shapes. We're gonna be using these shapes more or less. And you have that. Then the next thing is I'm going to be making that prophetic encounter. How it looks exactly, we're going to be making it now. So the text, delete prophetic encounter, that's just all we need. And you have this to be like this. So now we might want to do this shape. We might want to do this because it's going to be at the center. Now bring this to the front. Font. We're going to be using the serif font for what I'm about to do now. So let's see. I think this one is okay. Let me hide this and see. Yeah, I think this is okay. So this one is okay. And okay, you know what? Let me break it into two now. Now I'm bringing this to the front. Let's bring this to the front. So now prophetic encounter. So we'll take out the O. The color for this is let's see. We can use this gradient color. I feel it is still this is okay. Then we want to copy this fire icon like this, and kind of want to reduce it, but we're placing it in the space where the O is supposed to be. So it's gonna be representing O. You're gonna have it that way. Good to go. Now align. No. Okay. I wanna align this to the center. The color, use that same gradient, and now we might want to delete this, and then let's match the flames and the prophetic encounter. We want to match them together and see what we come up with. And we've taken this tutorial is going to be a long one, and we've been able to achieve this prophetic encounter. So good one. Have it to be here. Then we'll copy this. I'll be making the resources available in the description of this video. Just make sure you watch to the end. So now I'm gonna be having, I think, just write Sunday service, right? Sunday service. Now I want to space this. And okay, copy this, and we're gonna have team. So now let's just cut out the word already copied. I want to have this to be cut somewhere here. Don't mind me. I'm trying to see how all this will be easier. So cut. So we have team, and now we want to make the team black. The color of the team should be black. Then we go over to background and give it the background color of white. And there you go. So increase the left padding. Make it okay. 15 is okay. Increase the right padding. Top padding. Bottom padding. And I'm good to go. Okay, copy. Then the next one is glory. We're gonna have it there like that. Cut is glory. Is the next thing out there. And for this, we're gonna be using the Bibas font. I think. Let's just use the Bibas font. We use Bibas font to do this. The color is still black. This will have to come to the front. The color is still black, but now we'll be doing something. Let's go back to the background. I want to reduce the top padding 0, bottom padding, let's even make it -5. But now I'm gonna do this, still work more on the so we're gonna have it to be something like this. Then the background color will be using a gradient, and so something like this. We'll leave the part that is white and go to the other side that is black, and select the particular color to be like this, like blue. And yes, you have it like this to be his glory. And the other thing, still copy this, remove the background. Now remove the background. I'll just write S sun. The color will be white. And you have it to be like this. So they say this and every, copy this. You have to say this and every Sunday morning. This and every. So cut this. Cut. Okay, then cut. Cut. So this and every Sunday morning. Copy. So this and every. So the size. Okay. Reduce the size. Now we reduce the size and position it very well. So I have this. I think make it 15. This is okay. This and every Sunday morning. So we're just gonna have the morning there and reduce the size accordingly. Okay, where you go to? Reduce the size accordingly. And you have it to be that way. So we're almost done, although it still needs one or two adjustments. Then the other thing we need to do there is bring in something like an arrow shape. I have downloaded some resources that will be helpful. And you know what? Let's use the eraser. Zoom. So okay. Just clear this, clear this, clear this. Color. Reduce the opacity. Let's place it that way. And we've done that. The next thing is bring. This is going to be a long one. Just patiently watch it to the end and you see what will end. So this shadow, so we'll have add this now. But the color for this is going to be the color of our background. remember the color of our background, right? So now you seem as if you let's take it to the back. Take it to the back, but we're not going to take it to the back. We just want it to click here. It should be in front of him, right? Okay, let's take it down. Let's take it down. It's too much. Oh, so this is what we're gonna do. Let's. All right, beautiful. Let's leave it that way. We can still choose to do one or two things, but let's do it that way. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna bring in this shape. So this box shape like this, and we're gonna put in some more details there. And the color, let's see the gradient. So okay, you know what? Let's just use a color, not gradient. Now go over to gallery. Still browse some texture. I love the black and white texture. Alright, but let's assume that one is not forthcoming. We can make you do with this, something like this. So now the opacity, reduce it. I just want it to have a texture feel. So you can even merge the two or just lock it, whichever one works well for you. So now we'll put in some text, and because we've taken a long time in this tutorial, we'll try and save for me fast, and well, it's a long one indeed. So well, I'm sure you're learning. That's the most important thing again. So you don't just get 28. Where did the 28 come from? Okay, let me see. 28. I don't see any 28. So let's just first put in, remove the 28. So, okay, the location, we're aligning to the left. I have this to be here first. Copy, and next one. Okay, phone number, cut. Then time. And the size. Copy. Reduce it. Yeah, we have it. So you can still, for this one, The line spacing, reduce the sound. Now you can still increase it. Good. Now this one, the same thing. Reduce the line spacing -5. Right, then increase it. You have this. So the next thing you want to do is just copy this. Right, 20 up. This is what we're gonna do. 20 and 25. Gonna have it to go like this. Okay, let me see how this will work out. If it turns out well, you can make do of it. Just make it color black. I'll make all of this available in the description of this video. Just make sure you watch to the end so that you learn something. That's what's more important. So for this now, what I'm thinking of doing something, but let me finish up what I have in mind. So something like this. Okay, now I want to bring this shape. It's gonna be like this. So okay, merge. Now erase the white. Go to erase color. Erase the white portion. Beautiful. So you see what we've been able to achieve there, right? So lock this. Now this you can now adjust it very well. And so the only thing remaining to add is, I think there's some sticky notes, and I'm just gonna add this sticky notes here. Reduce it like a notepad. Just reduce it and have it there. You can still reduce it. Thank you. Then I want to just copy it. Then I want to put in the next thing there that says okay, we're yet to put the hosts. Okay, alright, we get to that. So important announcement. So important announcement, bring your Bible to church. So there's then copy. Then there's another block of text there. Cut. I'm gonna delete this. Now this one will be using the medium, or yes. So see, we have this to be like this, and we're virtually done. So just make sure you do your alignment and spacing very well. Now I want to adjust this. Just adjust it properly so that everything there shows. So the last thing we're gonna do is copy this here and put in hosts. Put in the hosts. and put his name there. Cut host. So, and bring in another shape there. Or this time around, we'll just be clipping one part of the shape. So let's say we use white and copy, or copy, yes. I'll just do this, clip one part of it, but we give this one another color, so hence the need to rotate it very well. You can have it like this. Then you merge these two, merge them together. I know this has been a long tutorial, but I hope you learned something, because some tutorials of course have to be long because of the details that we use. So erase color, I want to take out the red part. Yes, so adjust the tolerance a little bit. Then the color this time around we'll be giving it is a gradient color, and you have it to be like this. So you reduce it and place it where you ought to place it. Let's say you want to place it here, then you bring in the other one to the front, the host, bring the host to the front, and you just copy this to one more time. And this is the last part of what we'll be doing. Prophet Lawrence. So this is the last part of what we'll be doing here. And we're gonna give it a left alignment. You want to make it bold, so we'll change it to maybe the Montserrat semi-bold or bold, or use Montserrat bold, I think. Or extra bold, whichever one works well for you. So you want to reduce it, and you place it very well here. Yes, and this your host. You also want to reduce it a little bit. Voila. So with that, we've come to the end of this tutorial. We've been able to replicate this church flyer. You can see it's looking very, very beautiful. So you can take this out, and take it out, can delete it, Now you save as a project, then you save as an image. So with that, we come to the end of our tutorial. I'll see you again.